Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn fast food logo design. Let us start. First, select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. Select the top two corners, close to each other. Select the full shape and round the corner. Create another shape and center align it. Repeat the same process. Select all shapes and center align them. Unite the shape with the Pathfinder tool. Select two corners and round them. Select the full shape and convert stoke color to fill. Select the rectangle tool. Create the shape. Make two more copies with Ctrl D. Place these shapes on top of the spoon, and remove them with the Shape Builder tool. Repeat the same process. Remove the circle with the Shape Builder tool. Make a copy of the spoon shape. Make another spoon shape. Rotate both spoons. Make a burger shape. Create a fire shape. Add a logo name. Adjust the logo name. Create a rectangle. center the logo, select the Shape Builder tool and remove the center part. Add a gradient color to the fire icon. Add the gray color to the spoon. Add a little detail to the spoon. Right-click on the logo name. Create outlines. Add a gradient color. Add the gradient to the burger. Okay, good. Fast food logo design is ready. Thank you for watching my video.